IQ, small and shy, rolling through hallways, never touching the sky. Tiny wheels so close together, never feel the freedom of wild fields or weather. But we've got a plan to set them free, to bring them joy and let them see. Print our Vex truck, it's all you need. Through mud and snow, it'll take the lead. Their robotic hearts hold a quiet sigh, dreaming forests where the tall trees rise. Always adult, just corners and walls. They long for adventure where the wild world calls. We've got a plan to set them free, to bring them joy and let them see. Print our Vex truck, it's all you need. Through mud and snow, it'll take the lead. Their robotic hearts hold a quiet sigh. Their robotic hearts hold a quiet sigh, dreaming of forests where the tall trees rise. Always adult, just corners and walls. They long for adventure where the wild world calls. We've got a plan to set them free, to bring them joy and let them see. Print our Vex truck, it's all you need. Through mud and snow, it'll take the lead. Under starlight, they finally roam. Through grassy trails, they find a new home. Now they know what freedom feels. Their sadness fades, replaced with wheels of steel. Of steels of steel. Thanks to our plan, they explore the world. No longer trapped, their dreams unfurled. Print our Vex truck, join the fun. Now their adventure has just begun. So print your Vex truck, come take a stand. Robot happiness is in your hand.